insane. You're such a bad team. You're my Caribbean queen. You're in all of my dreams. God is talking to me.
I'm like, hey, what's up, hello. Seen your pretty face soon as you came in the door. I just wanna chill, got a set for us to roll. Married to the money, introduced you to my stove. I'm like, hey, what's up?
What's up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I'll be showing you guys how to install a glueless lace wig, completely glueless. That means no glue, no gel, no adhesive whatsoever. And yes, the wig that I'm installing today is none other than the one that I'm wearing right now, which this unit is from Luhair. And I know I'm kind of like going off topic here, but as you guys can see, we do have a new background, a whole new setup. I did bought some new lenses, and I was just like, let me try it out for this video and see how it turns out. I really love like how the whole background is like blurry and stuff. All you're focusing on is me. So the camera that I'm using right now to record is my Canon 80D, and I did bought some 50mm lens, 1.8 or something like that it's called. I don't even know, but I'll even list it down below if you guys are interested. I went completely off topic. Let's get back about what you guys are really here to see. So I am going to be showing you guys how to wear this unit completely glueless. So let's jump right into it.
Yeah. These body baby, oh. These body baby, oh. Yeah. It's a bad man thing, yeah. Bad girl make you wine to the base, nah. Give me that thing where I go feel late, nah. The way you back it up, the way you bust in the place, nah. Steady on time, yeah, don't be late, nah.
So this is the box that your hair comes in. I'm just going to open it and show you guys everything that came inside with my unit. So this is the little bag that the hair came in. Let's come with this little head wrap. So you get 2 stocking caps and a rat tail comb. And on the inside they send you a thank you card. With the back it has a bunch of recommended hair care products. And so as usual, I'm just going to take my wig off the mannequin head. And I'm just going to try it just to make sure that it fits perfect before I go ahead and cut off all that lace.
I feel your flow, wine I'm slow. This one will be private show. Your friends they tell you say I be nobody. Been searching all around but I found nobody. Call on me.
This is pretty much what your unit is looking like straight out the box. The hair on this unit is actually really soft. It's really silky and nice. So far, I'm already loving the hairline that came on this unit. I love how they did not make it too straight. And I did show you guys this when I unboxed the hair out of the box. They did customize this unit to where it has like that little widow's peak right there. And I just love how it's not like those regular lace front units where like the hairline is really straight and you're the one that has to go in and, you know, customize it to where it looks natural. Right now I'm just going to remove my unit and I'm just going to cut off all that excess lace. So right now I'm just adjusting the adjustable straps that comes on this unit and I'm just making it tighter.
Been searching all around but I found nobody. Call on me, I go give you all of me. Baby, make you follow me, I go give you all of me.
As you can see right here, that's where my stocking cap ends and that's where like my hair is out. So to cover that, I'm just going to go in with some foundation powder. I'm taking my face powder and I'm just going to apply it wherever it's needed.
She a fine like the sunrise. The way she move make a man cry. I'm feeling her so I wanting more. That me blow.
And just like that, that little black space is gone. So now to give this unit a really straight and sleek look, I am going to just pass my flat iron through it one time. I did purchase this in Walmart. I believe it was about $39.99 for it, and this flat iron, you guys, works so good. And I am going to like be flat iron it into like big sections just because the hair is already sleek and nice.
Sean say she moving to the baseline. The way she a wine make a man wanna press the wine. She a gypsy girl, she a fine like the sunrise. The way she move make a man cry. I'm feeling her so I want it more. That me blow. Tell me what you want and know. Me I no go lose control. Bad man I feel your flow. Wine I'm slow. This one no be private show. That me blow. Tell me what you want and know. I go give you all and more. Bad man I feel your flow. Wine I'm slow.
Right, I'm just gonna take some Got2b spray and I'm just gonna spray the top here. And then take my hand and lay down like the little flyaways. So just like that. This hair is really soft and silky and nice. That is pretty much all I did. So, you know, install this unit, lay it down. You guys, this hair is completely glueless. I'm not holding out my unit right now with any adhesive, no gel, no glue, no nothing. Just all I did was tighten the adjustable straps on the back of this unit. And I laid it down on my head, and this is pretty much the unit, you guys. So it is thick throughout the entire unit. As you guys can see, the hair is full like down to the end. So it's not scanty, it's not looking thin or like I'm missing a bundle or anything like that. So I'm really liking that. Hair is really sleek and nice, so I really like it. It does have like a nice shine to it, as you guys can see. I don't know if you guys can see it through the camera, but it does have like a really nice shine to it. It does have like a very deep parting space, so it does look pretty natural on the top there. And also, like I mentioned before, the unit did come with like the widow's peak. That's exactly how they customized it, to where it looks like you have a widow's peak here. So if you do have one naturally, this wig, it would be perfect for that, because all you have to do is follow the hairline. And yeah, the hair is pretty flat. It's really nice. Honestly, if I was to rate this hair out of 10 right now, I would definitely give it a 10, because the hair is just flat. It's nice. Like, it's doing everything you would want like some straight hair to do. You know what I'm saying? Like, the parting space is really nice. You have a long parting space, so your hair would not be looking too weird up top there. And it just looks natural. And not to mention, you guys, this hair is glueless. I will leave everything listed down below in the description box, and where you can purchase this unit that I'm wearing today. Also, I'm not too sure if I have a discount code for you guys, but if I do, I will leave it listed down below. So definitely check out Luhair if you want some affordable and quality lace wigs. I will leave everything listed down below in the description box for you guys. Comment down below, let me know how you guys feel in this unit, and I will catch you guys in my next one. Bye!